changed. We're going down Rio Grande Boulevard, just past Griegos. When we get to Candelaria, which is the next light, I believe, we'll turn right, and that will take us down to the Rio Grande Nature Center, which is down by the river. It's a very popular place to go year-round. During the winter, there are usually a lot of cranes. There are usually a lot of cranes and geese there, migratory cranes and geese. And I think I'm going too fast. Grande Nursery. Okay, up here, this light is Candelaria. You see some of these houses here. And we'll turn right up here and head down towards the Nature Center. Now Baron's very excited. There's Baron. Say hi, Baron. This is a great neighborhood. I don't like the houses so much, but it's really huge trees. There are huge cottonwoods in this neighborhood, if you can see. Walking around here, and they spot me holding a camera in front of the steering wheel, and they think I'm an idiot. So here's the Nature Center, and we won't go in there. I'll just turn around, and the bike trail is here also, the sign says. So we're going to turn around, and I'll sign out for now, and maybe make one more film before I head back to the hotel. Bye-bye.